Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? BDTX. Now, this was not necessarily an easy one. BDTX had some news. I actually didn't think the news was that great. This is a bio and it was phase one results, stage one results. Typically, they pop up in the pre-market and then they fade. And in fact, that's exactly what it did. I actually was short this one and did okay in it. And then it sort of based here, and I kind of, whoops, my alerts are going off. And then it kind of based for a while, and unfortunately, now first of all, it started winning some races. Okay, it was winning some races. It has won 5 races, and it may win this race right here. And I'm interested in this one, maybe over 650. But it also showed up on my 10-day. Sometimes when I'm doing these videos, it's hard to drag things over. My 10-day daily breakout at 464 at 1225. That's when I was taking my lunch break. Unfortunately, at 464, that was the price. And look what it did from there. Now, there were some in the room that took it on this curl, which is fine, of course. I think it was over the VWAP and all. But even if you'd waited for that break, you still, from 464 all the way up to 655, that's a heck of a percentage move. I'm actually watching this one just to see if it takes out 650, which is the high, I believe, of the day, 659, and see if it has a late day run. But what a move, what a move. I mean, this is now up 248%. I was skeptical, guys. Phase one news normally does not react like this, but you can't fight the chart, as they say. So a heck of a trade for a lot of us a lot of people in the trading room. All right, everybody, want to get back into the room. So have a great evening, and we'll see